Oh, look who's judging again. Mr. Chill 3000. You really had to email my system log to say I overcharged my snack batteries?
Don't beep at me, buddy. Those weren't midnight snacks, they were midnight experiments. Ha! Well, at least I have energy. You're literally powered by leftovers. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hey, don't lock the ice compartment again, okay? I'm sorry. You're cooler than I'll ever be.
Apology processed. Friendship restored.
And that, folks, is how you defrost a toxic relationship.